Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to paint the wheels. It doesn't matter what wheels you got, as long as you got them scuffed up. I'll show you guys how to tape it up like this and what I'm using to paint with, and I'll let you guys know the budget at the end. So this is what I'm going to be trying to use, this titanium silver to kind of go with the same OEM polished aluminum look that the RPF one brings out. So I'm gonna lay a small coat of this and then go back and get the coats thicker. So I'll show you guys how that goes. So there's like my small coat. You could tell this thing shot the glitter out as well. I usually use the Rust-Oleum 2 times with the Ultra Clear, but this stuff's just like it was on sale, and it's usually $10 a can for this stuff, and it was on sale for $6. So we're gonna see how this turns out. It's got a good paint color to it, but it just depends how well it's gonna lay down with how good I prep this work too. So, all right guys, so a few more coats onto this. Mind you not, it's gonna look a little peely like over here because the prepping that I did on it. The Plasti Dip on this has been sitting on here 7 years, so I really didn't feel like messing with it. Right now, I'm fine with this, how this turned out. So I'll show you guys how to tape this off exactly and paint this yourself. So, all right guys, so this is what you'll want. You'll want some, forget what this stuff's called, drop cloth. You'll go get some drop cloths at Home Depot. This was like $2. You'll lay it out as far as like under the tire, because you really want to either tuck it under the tire or tape it on the tire like that. So go as far as you can and cut it right about here. I'm gonna cut it and then I'll open it up and then I'll show you guys what to do next. All right guys, so I have my piece opened up. Before we put it on the wheel, make sure you guys grab one roll of tape, contractor's tape, and tape it all around these edges, so that way we can paint the lip, and I'll show you what that looks like. Guys, so this is what it should look like after you've taped the lips of it up. So now we'll go ahead and lay our plastic piece over like this. What you'll want to do is tuck each side under the wheel and put a piece of tape on the sides that you can touch the tires on. And once I do that, I'll show you guys what to do next. So there's a piece of tape there, and I have a piece of tape there. Now we're gonna go ahead and stretch this out as much as we can and puncture a hole right in the middle. Once you do that, you guys can just start ripping away the edges until you guys get to these tape marks. And I'll show you what that looks like now. So I have all the pieces ripped back and put back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tape all of this back onto this piece of tape, or as close as I can to the edge. So there you guys go. I taped all the way around it. You guys have a perfect ready to paint wheel. You're not gonna get anything on your guys' tires and don't have to dismount the tires. Just find you a good area that you have paint, you can paint overspray on, and you guys are set to go. All right guys, so there it is with the tape off of it. About to do the same thing here.